We can handle all online courses, business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management.
Welcome to my YouTube channel IT Guides. In today's session, we are tackling Chapter 8 of recently launched Exp22 course, focusing on ML2 reading scores. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for help in assignments, quizzes, or complete course. Don't hesitate to connect for support in various courses. Let's start this assignment and solve step by step. Title of assignment is Exp22 Excel Chapter 8 ML2 Reading Scores. You can see project description here to get idea about your assignment. Moving to the first step, that is about Start Excel, download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 8 ML2 HW Reading Scores. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. In this step, basically we have to just start Excel and download the file. You can download this file from IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded and opened this assignment, this file. So move to the next step, that is step number 2. Step number 2 is about in the range F2 to H2, insert the functions that will calculate the average for each of the group, control, CBT only, and hybrid. Basically, in these steps, we have to add a function in this range that will calculate the averages for each group. Go to the Excel worksheet. From F2 to H2, we have to insert a function that will calculate the average for the control group, CBT only group, and hybrid group. So first of all, we will insert a function in F2 that will calculate the average of the control group. So we will write a function. In formula, we will use the average function to find average for this group. After average function, we will select the range of the control group because we have finding the average for the control group. So we will select this range in which our control values are stored. Press enter. It will calculate the control average for using this formula. Now we have to calculate the average for the CBT only. So we will write the formula by using average function, and we will select the range where CBT only values are stored. So CBT only values are stored in B from B2 to B25. So we will select it, press enter. Now it will calculate our CBT only values by using this formula. Here we will calculate our hybrid values average in H2 by using the formula average. Our hybrid values are stored in from C2 to C25. So we will select this value C2 to C25, C2 to C25. Now press enter. It's our average for the hybrid group by using this formula. So our step number 2 is complete. We have to calculate the average for these all three groups. Now move to the next step, that is step number 3. Step number 3 is about in the range F3 to H3, insert functions that will calculate the median for each of the groups. Now in this step, we have to insert the functions that will calculate the median for each groups that are in F3 to H3. So go to the Excel worksheet. Here in F3, G3 and H3, we have to calculate the median for the control for the CBT only and hybrid. So we will write the function. Here we will write the formula by using the median function and calculate the median for control group. So write a formula by using the function median, and we will select the range where our control values are stored. So we select the range from A2 to A25. Now press enter. It will calculate our median values for the control group. Now same, we will enter the median formula in the CBT only. So we will write the median function and select the range where our CBT only values are stored, and from range B2 to B25. Now press enter. Here it will calculate the median for the CBT only group. We will calculate the hybrid median. So use the median function and select the range where our hybrid values are stored that are in C2 to C25. Press enter. Here it will calculate our hybrid median for the hybrid group. Step number 3 is completed. We have to calculate the median for all these three groups from F3 to H3. Moving to the next step, that is step number 4. Step number 4 is about in the range F4 to H4, insert the functions that will calculate the most repetitive values for each of the group. Here we have to use the function that will calculate our most repetition values for each group in range F4 to H4. Go to the Excel worksheet again. Here in this range we have to use the function that will calculate our values that are more repetition. So here we have to find the mode for the control group. Write the formula by using mode function and select the range of the control values from A2 to A25. Press enter. It calculates our mode for the control group. Now calculate the mode for the CBT only group. We'll select the CBT only values. Press enter. Here is our mode for the CBT only values. Now we have to calculate the mode for the hybrid values. So use the function mode and select the hybrid values. From C25. So it's 14. It's our mode for the hybrid group. 14 is most repetitive value in the hybrid group. Step number 4 is completed. Now move to the next step, that is step number 5. Step number 5 is about in the range F5 to H5, insert functions that will calculate the highest value for each group. Now in this step we have to enter a function that calculate our highest values for the each group in the range F5 to H5. Go to the Excel worksheet. In Excel worksheet, here we have to use the function from F5 to H5 for calculating the highest value of all these three groups. So we have to calculate the highest value in control group. So we will use the max function and select the values for the control group. Press enter. Our highest value in control group is 15. That will calculate after using max function. Now calculate the highest value for the CBT on the group. So we will select the values from B2 to B25 and press enter. It will calculate the value that is highest in CBT on the group. It's 16. Now use the function and select the range from C2 to C25. Press enter. It will calculate the highest value, that is 18 in hybrid group. Total steps in this assignment is 12. I have done 5 steps by completing each and every detail given in the instruction of these steps. For remaining steps of this assignment are help in another assignments, exams, quizzes, our entire course covering Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Finance Management, Information Technology and more. Feel free to get in touch. Contact me through provided email or WhatsApp given in description and display on screen and make deal with me. I assure you for achieving an A grade in all your courses. Thanks for watching my videos. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the videos. Thank you.